Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Dell laptop battery indicator blinking constantly. So guys, to resolve this problem you can try this method. Guys, you have to press Fn key plus H key on keyboard. Together Fn, this is the Fn function key. So press and hold plus H key on keyboard. This two key together. Press and hold. So hopefully guys, using this method you can fix this problem. Just try. Press and hold Fn key plus H. Then restart your system. And another method, if you know, so remove battery one time. So turn off your laptop, then remove battery and again keep your battery, then turn on your laptop. So these are two methods. Thanks for watching. Comment any method work for you.